Your television is now being controlled by Let's Go TV, sponsored by the new Chevy Venture.
Welcome back, everybody.
Hey, what are we waiting for? Let's go shopping. Come on.
All right, our next item is an incredible organizer for your whole family.
For the whole family, that's right. And it has up to 26, count them, 26 different storage compartments. It holds toys and magazines and packages and hockey sticks, everything.
Including a storage space to hold your valuables.
Put your wallet right in there. Look, there's even handy holders for a baby or two.
Oh, that's right. You can opt for up to 2 child safety seats.
And if that wasn't enough, it's all packaged to go in this handy carrying case. Look at this.
You are going to love it.
You're going to need 2.
The action gets zany when the new Chevy Venture takes the Johnsons everywhere but to the cleaners.
Mom, could we stop for a hamburger?
Not until after our skydiving lesson, honey.
Okay, Mom.
Headquarters told me this was a matter of national security, but I didn't realize it was so big.
It's a complete safety and security package that could protect tens of thousands of families from Washington, D.C. to San Diego.
Wow. Dual airbags. Child security rear door locks. 4-wheel anti-lock brakes. Automatic daytime running lamps. All standard.
Plus, it's got a multifunction alarm, lock, and lighting system that provides a wide range of security options.
Katrina, you can't get this in any other minivan. No wonder the auto industry so desperately wants to foil the launch of the new Chevy Venture. Come on, let's go.
So, what's it gonna be? Door number 1 or door number 2? Oh, Jimmy, can you help our family out?
Sure thing. Door number 1 is an available power sliding passenger side door, which you'll find exclusively on Chevy Venture. Just tap the interior push button or the keyless remote. It glides open and shut at the touch of a button. Door number 2 is an available sliding door on the driver's side. Chevy Venture has the widest dual sliding side doors of any other minivan, making entries and exits convenient.
Let's go. We need a decision.
Make a decision. We really want both.
Good answer.
It's unprecedented. And if you think up to 17 cup holders are handy, hold the phone. You are going to love this. Thirsty?
Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
All right, guess what else?
Talk to me.
The available modular rear seats, they flip forward. They create a surface that your kids can use to color or play games on.
Wow. Check this out. It has cup holders, too. They're all over the place.
They're everywhere.
You love them then, you love them now. Minivans, and why the new Chevy Venture has become today's freedom machine. An exclusive report from Let's Go TV News.
Now this is the way to travel. We can listen to the music we want, and there's no more complaining we're too hot or too cold.
Yeah, I know. Still, I kind of miss hearing from the kids. How you doing back there? Haven't heard a peep all trip.
What, Mom?
Nothing, honey.
Well, Katrina, it seems this new venture of yours is causing quite a stir.
Oh, it's no wonder. There's a variety of interior options, including available modular rear seats that allow you to create up to 32 distinctly different seating configurations at a moment's notice.
It's more than any other minivan in North America.
There's almost 156 cubic feet of space to carry top secret stuff and other unwieldy items. Try to do all that with one of your pricey 2-seaters.
Point taken.
And one more thing. The upholstery's been treated with quite a remarkable substance.
Let me guess. It allows you to scan sealed packages and view their contents.
Why, no. It allows you to clean spills easily.
We have Susan from Parma, Ohio on the line. Hey, Susan.
Hi, Susan.
Hi, I just wanted to say that I have a Chevy Venture, and it really is as great as it looks on TV.
It really is, isn't it?
It is.
Oh, yeah, but one thing you haven't mentioned are the removable modular rear seats. They are really light. I can take them out myself, no problem.
Susan, do you know why that is? Because they only weigh 38 pounds each. Unbelievable.
By contrast, Chrysler's optional removable seats weigh about 50 pounds each.
As a matter of fact, the seats in my Chevy Venture weigh less than my 4-year-old.
Susan, we love you. Call anytime.
Oh, Jimmy, could you tell us about the next item?
It's a dream travel package. Yes, you and your family can travel in glorious comfort for up to 100,000 miles before Chevy Venture needs its first scheduled tune-up, and for up to 5 years or 150,000 carefree miles before the first cooling change, whichever comes first.
I can't believe what some people will do for power, especially when it's so readily available.
Well, not everybody knows that Chevy Venture delivers more standard horsepower than most other minivans. Take the ramp.
What?
Trust me. Chevy Venture provides excellent acceleration even on hills, even when packed with people and cargo. Plus, optional traction control kicks in when you need it most to help minimize wheel spin in virtually all driving situations.
Which is really quite comforting, whether you're trying to stay one step ahead of the game or just running out for some frozen yogurt. Chocolate or vanilla?
No. Come on,
Dad,
kids.
you're never gonna get away with this.
Oh, Mom won't suspect a thing. Look, it's beautiful. Oh. Hi, honey.
Well, it's a good thing that'll come out just as easily as it went in.
Jimmy, can you tell our family what they get when they drive home their new Chevy Venture?
Sure thing. You are covered by genuine customer care, a comprehensive customer protection package which includes 24-hour roadside assistance. Yes, just one toll-free phone call can provide you with a locksmith, fuel delivery, directions, and other helpful services.
Let's go. We need a decision. Let's go for the Chevy Venture.
Now that they have their own cup holders, power ports, air conditioning, and audio controls, the kids couldn't be happier.
Now, if we could just figure out how to make your mother happy.
Let's go.
With lightweight seats and 32 ways to arrange them, Chevy Venture can switch identities faster than we can.
Let's go.
Packages and hockey.
Boy, the power sliding passenger side door and the dual sliding side door sure make entries and exits easier.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Hey, Skids, what are you doing in here all alone? Come on, let's go.
Stay tuned for technical and pricing info, plus a recap of Chevy Venture's major features and benefits.
Let's go!